Good morning to all. I am AVAKASH from Government Polytechnic College Dungarpur. Today we are going to discuss about land pollution or soil pollution. What is land pollution? Soil pollution can be defined as the introduction of substances, biological organisms or energy into the soil that will lead to a change in the quality of soil so that plant growth and animal health is adversely affected. Causes of soil and land pollution. Soil pollution is caused due to direct and indirect sources. The direct sources harm the soil much more than the indirect sources. Example of direct causes are poor management of solid and liquid domestic, industrial, agricultural waste, waterlogging, soil erosion, salination, disposal of medical waste, etc. Example of indirect causes are acid rain and disposal of radioactive substances. Causes of soil and land pollution में देखते हैं. The main reason of soil pollution are briefly described below. Okay, that is pesticides. First one is pesticides. Pesticides are the chemical which are used by farmers to protect their crops. Large amount of pesticides in soil interferes with the soil metabolic process. Pesticides kill many non-targeted beneficial soil organisms such as earthworms, thus the soil become infertile. Organochlorides like dichloro, diphenyl, trichloroethane, DDT are second generation pesticides. They are non-biodegradable substances. They accumulate and magnify in the food chain and interfere with the calcium metabolism of birds. As a consequence, birds lay fragile, thin-shelled eggs. High concentration of pesticides get accumulated in fatty tissue of prey organisms. When predators eat these prey organisms, they also get killed. Thus, pesticides lead to poisoning of the ecosystem. The main reason of soil pollution are second one is faulty agriculture pesticides. Unskilled irrigation. Waterlogging may occur when the drainage system of the agriculture field is not maintained scientifically. Waterlogging closes the passage of air to the soil, stops the growth of soil organism and make the soil barren. Shifting cultivation. In it, the forest is burned to use the land for cultivation. However, this practice exposes the soil for soil erosion. Injudicious use of chemical fertilizer. Use of inorganic fertilizer increases the nutrient contamination. The microbes of the soil reduce the nitrogen to nitrate ion, which enters the animal body through food or water. It is directly absorbed in blood stream and oxidize the oxyhemoglobin to methaboglobin. The latter cannot carry oxygen and more, so ultimately animal dies. Solid waste from home industries. Chemical, petroleum and metal related industries, dry cleaners and gas station produce hazardous waste such as oils, battery metal and organic solvents. These hazardous waste contaminate soil and water resources. Acid rain. It converts neutral soil to acidic one. अब देखते हैं अपन इफेक्ट. रिडक्शन इन द फर्टिलिटी ऑफ सॉइल. उपजाऊ क्षमता सॉइल की गिर जाएगी. ऑब्स्ट्रक्शन इन द पब्लिक पैसेज by solid waste. Contamination of underground and surface drinking water. Fluorosis occurs as a result of consumption of fluoride containing maize, jowar, crop. The fluoride is absorbed by the crop from the fluoride contaminated soil. Emission of toxic gases are detrimental to health. The unpleasant smell and spread of insect causes inconvenience to people. Poisoning of the ecosystem takes place by soil pollution. Soil erosion occurs due to shifting cultivation. अब कंट्रोल क्या क्या है देखते हैं. Plant afforestation helps in preventing soil erosion. Use of biofertilizers and natural pesticide help in minimizing uses of chemical fertilizer and pesticides. The principles of 3Rs, namely recycle, 3Rs, recycle, reuse and reduce, help in the minimizing generation of solid waste. Formulation and effective implementation of stringent pollution control legislation also helps in controlling soil pollution. Proper disposal method must be employed. For example, composting of biodegradable solid and incineration or of non-biodegradable solids should be done. Proper treatment of liquid waste from industries and mines must be done. Faulty sanitation practice must be improved. Polluted soil can be treated by bioremediation. It uses microorganisms like yeast, fungi and bacteria to break down or degrade hazardous substances into less toxic और नॉन टॉक्सिक सब्सटेंसेस. ठीक है, तो यही था पूरा हमारा लैंड पॉल्यूशन के बारे में, सॉइल पॉल्यूशन के बारे में. सो ओके, सो इस तरह से हमारे इस सब्जेक्ट का भी कोर्स ख़त्म हो चुका है. ओके, सो थैंक यू सो मच.